Ready? Start. Still, learned counsel for the respondents have not been able to show by referring to any evidence on the record that even a suggestion had been made in the claim statement filed by the workman that the bank was guilty of an unfair labor practice. Stop. It was only at the state of filing their application that a totally vague plea of unfair labor practice was raised. Stop. Admittedly, there is no evidence which may even indirectly suggest that the bank was prompted by any extraneous consideration or ulterior motive in making appointments on ad hoc basis or terminating the services before completion of 240 days. Stop. Para. In fact, the purpose of the bank was to make it clear to all the employees, even at the time of their appointment, that a purely ad hoc arrangement is being made which would last till the regular selections are made. Stop. Taking the totality of circumstances into consideration, it cannot be said that the bank was acting unfairly. Stop. It is pertinent to add the charge of unfair labor practice should be specifically leveled so that the employer is able to meet it. Stop. It should be proved by clear evidence. Stop. Para. It is undoubtedly clear that sometimes the facts may speak by themselves, and it may be possible to infer that the employer was acting unfairly, but there should be some evidence which should indicate an improper motive so as to enable the court to arrive at a finding of unfair labor practice. Stop. In the present case, counsel for the respondents are unable to refer to any evidence on the record. Stop. The only document to which a reference has been made, is said to be a letter sent by the registrar in which it had been conveyed that no workman should be allowed to complete more than 240 days. Stop. Para. The obvious purpose of this letter was to prompt the bank regular selection speedily so that the right of the workmen who had been appointed on ad hoc basis did not crystallize and the bank was not faced with an avoidable liability. Stop. Such a communication cannot be by itself constitute an unfair labor practice. Stop. At this stage, it may also be pointed out that even the learned single judge has merely observed that the workmen had raised the plea of unfair labor practice in their application. Stop. However, no categorical finding that the bank acted unfairly has been recorded. Stop. Para. Faced with this situation, counsel for the respondent workman have submitted that in pursuance of the award and the judgment of the learned single judge, the respondent workmen have already been reinstated. Stop. It has been further pointed out that the workmen have now become over age and shall not be able to compete for any other post. Stop. In view of this situation, learned counsel for the respondent bank has submitted that if the award given by the labor court and the judgment of learned single judge are not set aside, the bank shall be fastened with the liability of more than 20 lakhs. Stop. Over.